especially in classics. 1932 Ford Roadster, glass body car, steel hood, 350 V8 powered that is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission to be exact. Take a look at the bright work up front in the suspension components. Front disc brakes, as you can see, does have power brakes, FYI. Paint shows well on this one, folks. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this thing top to bottom, underside, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. We'll open up one of the hood panels here at the end, start it up, let you hear it run. It does have an Offenhauser intake on it, FYI. Headers, Flowmaster exhaust. As you can see, Foose wheels. Good looking chrome wheel in this car. Red interior, finished off as nicely as the exterior on the car. Nice gauge cluster, little pinstriping, that old school hot rod look. Underneath the dash, FYI, 2 switches, one for the electric fan, the other for the blinkers. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email about that. Battery located in the trunk. There is a battery shut off at the battery. It's basically in the front of the trunk, right up there behind a kind of a panel. Take a look at the trunk pictures. You'll see what I'm talking about, and those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Nice reflection coming off that paint. Nice shine to it. All right. Stewart Warner gauges, FYI. Nice red vinyl. You can see the carpeting underneath the floor mats in the still pictures. Want to check out the condition of the interior closer. It does show well. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. And as you can see, gauges oil pressure as a cold start, so we'll expect water temp to be up. Volts, fuel, all looking good. Nice throttle response, good sounding Roadster. Nothing crazy over the top, but nice sounding car. All right, I'm going to pause here a second. I want to pop one of the sides of the hood here, and let's check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here's that 350. Again, I mentioned headers, Flowmaster